Changing the phone number on your eBay account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Open your web browser and go to the eBay website. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the My eBay option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, then select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Personal Information. Click on it to view your current contact details, including your phone number. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Look for the option to edit your phone number. Click on the Edit button next to your current phone number, then enter your new phone number in the provided field. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes by clicking the Save button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number associated with your eBay account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for further assistance.